Greetings from beautiful and snowy Bend, Oregon. I am Sherry with Freedom in a Can. In this video series, we are going to be installing 600 watts of solar and a complete REGO system by Renogy in this Forest River travel trailer, this Toyota Tacoma truck, for this young couple and their 2 adventure dogs. Aaron and Jeremiah are new to solar and RVing, so we're going to be coaching them through the entire installation. REGO is designed with the solar DIY newbie in mind, and it seamlessly integrates 3 different charging methods into the large capacity battery. We'll be walking you through the entire installation over several episodes, each designed to help you do a similar installation. So let's get started.